Dear David, I was supposed to write an essay for class, but I used AI to do most of the work. Now my teacher wants to meet with me because she thinks the writing doesn't sound like mine. I feel guilty and worried I'll get in trouble. What should I do to fix this situation? Sincerely, Regretful Ray.
Dear David, I've been feeling overwhelmed with homework lately. I try to stay organized, but assignments keep piling up. I worry that I'm falling behind in all my classes. What should I do to manage my time better? Sincerely, a stressed student.
Dear David, my best friend and I had a disagreement yesterday. Now things feel awkward between us. I want to fix it, but I don't know how to start the conversation. What should I say to smooth things over? Warm regards, Confused Chris.
Dear David, I really want to get better at public speaking. Every time I try, my voice shakes and I forget what I plan to say. It's embarrassing and makes me want to avoid speaking altogether. How can I become more confident? Gratefully, Nervous Nelson.
Dear David, there's a new student at school who always sits alone. I want to talk to him, but I'm afraid he might not want company. I also don't want to come across as intrusive. How should I approach him kindly? Cheers, friendly Fran. Fran.
Dear David, my teacher asked me to lead a group project. The problem is that two group members don't get along. It's making it difficult for us to work together. Any ideas on how to handle this? Respectfully, Group Leader Leo.
Dear David, I lost my temper with my younger brother today. I feel bad because he was only trying to help me. Now he won't talk to me. How can I make things right? All the best, Regretful Rena.
Dear David, I'm trying to save money for something important. But every time I get a little saved, I end up spending it on small things. It feels like I have no self-control. Can you give me advice on saving better? Thanks kindly, Spendy Sam.